Hello guys, I am Saurabh. Today I am going to share you my experience with a one-to-one consultation call related to finding your niche, clarity, and finding what's beyond your passion. So this was the session conducted by Abhinay Mandla, who gives consultation regarding finding your passion, and my session was related to what is beyond passion. So I share you my experience. So let us begin with the situation where I was before the consultation. So what was my situation and what I was doing? So let me tell you that there are many situations depending on your nature and your preferences. So it might differ from my situation as well. So my situation was I am a bit excited person to what I do and what I am doing in my life. So but I get bored easily and I am uncertain about things like if I am excited about anything, like whatever I do, suppose I am a digital marketer. So if I learn things or learn something new, I am excited about it, but later on after some few weeks or few days, I feel that I am just overwhelming with my information and I don't know what to do exactly, and I just start to procrastinate and think about what will happen, and I just don't know what how the outcome will be. I'm just uncertain about the things, each and everything I do. So it's not about only digital marketing, the things which I do in daily lifestyle. So it affects my entire schedule and entire life routine. So that's the reason I just keep on procrastinating and delay the work I do. So this was the situation I was doing. I was just behaving like this before the consultation call, and after taking one-to-one consultation from Abhinay, the value which the session provided was just more than I thought. So it is just like you have to fill the form, and after you fill the form, answer those certain questions, and then you will get a customized report regarding your niche clarity. So you will be able to answer those questions in an open mind, with an open mind, so that you will find yourself and what the things, what other things you can do, and how can you monetize it. These all can be cleared with the session taken by Abhinay, and this will be most beneficial thing to do when you have not decided what you are going to do in the near future, and like what value will be created. So this session has provided me a lot, and like the learnings which I got is that no matter whatever you do in life, you just have to be clear on the things you are doing. Without being clear, having clarity of the things you are doing in your life, you won't get any opportunity, or like you won't succeed the way you will when you have clarity. So this is most important part, and as I have started my journey right now, and the things which I learned is that you should like have a disciplined method to research on your own, and have some clarity about your goals. So it gave me a true vision of life towards my career, and a different perspective to look after my career, and it's like I just learned that it's not just about passion. So you just have to like be yourself, and follow the, of course you have to follow your passion, but just don't be dependent on your passion for the for the source of income or anything you want. But your entire life success depends not just on the passion you follow, but the things which you do beyond that and beyond your passion. So there's nothing like if you just follow your passion then only you will be successful. Yes, of course, the passion is a subset of things which you do in your life. So the passion is something you can't get easily bored of, and the resistance to have the resistance to do the things in your daily lifestyle, and you can't you can't sit idle by do like without doing anything. So that's the passion or the work which you choose in your life, and beyond that you have to do multiple things to keep it going, and that's how I can say that I have benefited from this session, and I changed my mindset. So somehow this session has changed my mindset towards the life and the career which I am looking for. So this is all I can say. So if you are interested, even you can opt for this session and give it a shot. Thank you.